Hey there Lemon Kun fam! Today on our channel we are diving into the world of viral recipes with the irresistible chocolate biscuit pudding. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. First up in a pan, let's bring some milk to a gentle boil. While that's heating up, whip up a quick mixture to thicken it. Just combine corn flour and cocoa powder in a cup of milk until it's as smooth as silk. Once the milk is bubbling, stir in some powdered sugar and then gradually add our corn flour mixture. Stir until it thickens up. Now let's amp up the chocolate factor by tossing in some chopped chocolate and melting it into the mixture. Turn off the heat, set aside, and let's move on. Next, we are making a flavorful soaking mixture. In a cup of water, mix in some instant coffee and a dash of vanilla essence. That's our secret weapon for an extra kick of flavor. Before assembling time, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, so hit the subscribe button and hit the like button too. Now it's assembling time. Take your favorite biscuits, dip them into a coffee mixture and layer them into your serving bowl or a dish. Follow it up with a layer of our luscious chocolate pudding. Repeat for a total of 3 layers or go wild and make as many layers as you want. Pop it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to melt together. For the best results, let it set for 6 to 8 hours or overnight for an extra indulgent treat. After the waiting game, it's time to add the finishing touches. Garnish the sides of your dish with some crushed biscuits, adding the delightful crunch to every bite. In the center, sprinkle shaving off chocolate for an extra layer of decadence. And now the moment we'll all be waiting, time to dig in. Absolutely divine. If you love this recipe as much as we do, show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing, and don't forget to drop your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.